Don't forget to leave room for expansion and contraction. Okay, so this week I just want to give a quick tip on some things you need to do while you're installing tile. I'm doing a tub surround, and it's a 4x10 subway tile. There's going to be a pencil border up here and then 3x6 on top. There's going to be a pencil border up here and then 3x6 on top. And what I want to suggest is, but what you really need to do when you're installing this tile is always stay. I know it seems kind of obvious. Plumb, flat, and level. And level. Flat, plumb, flat. Okay, sure. Flat. And you do that by doing good prep work. Get your baseline. Make sure that that is perfectly level, flat, and plumb. And then you can build on top of that. And as you go on, then do like 2 or 3 rows, another 2 or 3 rows, check that, and then continue to build. And check as you're going along, check to make sure that you're plumb and level. I'm using a laser level here. But as you can see, I'm perfectly level all the way around. So you want to always check to make sure that you're doing that. And this is a bathroom I'm doing. And about a year ago, I did this bathroom here. Another subway tile. The border on the shower floor. And they had me come back to do this one here. Also, don't forget to leave room for expansion and contraction. Very important. You don't want to cut things tight. You always want to leave some room so the tile can move. Okay, so if this is your first time seeing my videos, my name is Sal de Blasi. I'm a tile contractor in the Boston area, mainly the North Shore, and I've been installing tile for over 30 years, about 34 years to be precise. So check out my channel. I have over 700 videos now, all to do with tile. If you need to figure out how to do something, it's probably on there. So as always, I'll leave your comments in the comment section below. Check out my online store at dibsmart.com, and please subscribe. And also, if you don't mind, you can check out check me out on Patreon, and if you can support me there, that'd be great. Thanks. Yeah, so that's just my tip for this week, is just as you're moving along, stay level, plumb, straight, and square as best you can, and your tile installation will go much easier.